Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mac and cheese without roux. First, gather your ingredients. This easy method skips the traditional roux, making it quicker and less complicated. You'll still get that wonderfully creamy, cheesy sauce everyone loves, but with a fraction of the effort. It's perfect for a quick weeknight meal or when you're short on time. Let's get started with what you'll need. For this recipe, you'll need about 8 ounces of elbow macaroni. Make sure to have 2 cups of your favorite shredded cheddar cheese ready. A sharp cheddar works wonderfully. You'll also need 1½ cups of whole milk, which will form the base of our creamy sauce. A little butter and some seasonings like salt and pepper will round out our simple ingredient list. Start by cooking your macaroni according to the package instructions until it's perfectly al dente. While the pasta cooks, gently heat the 1½ cups of whole milk in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Be careful not to let it boil. Once the milk is warm, gradually add your 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, stirring constantly until it's completely melted and smooth. This creates our rich, roux-free sauce. Once your cheese sauce is smooth and creamy, drain the cooked macaroni thoroughly. Now, simply combine the macaroni with the warm cheese sauce in a large bowl. Stir everything together until every piece of pasta is beautifully coated in that delicious, velvety cheese. Serve immediately and enjoy your incredibly easy, homemade mac and cheese. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.